This is a dual turf timer showing minutes in 2 digits each. The value can be set to a maximum of 99 minutes and a minimum of 1 minute. The settings can be done with the help of the inbuilt keypad or with the help of this remote control. The timer 1 is controlled by the left side numbers and timer 2 by this right side as mentioned in this section. So to stop timer 1, press A. So when it is started, this dot and this dot is flashing to indicate that timer 1 is on. Simultaneously timer 2 can be switched on by pressing C, and both timers are running at present. The timer can be paused at any time and restarted from that point. To reset to the original value, press B and it will come back to the original set value even if after a few minutes of countdown. Same way D is to reset the timer 2. To set the timer 1, press 1 to increment the value and 4 to decrement. Number 7 is pressed to reset it to 60 minutes, which is the most common value for turf timer. Alternately, press star and in the flashing of the digits, press any random number and that will be entered. Suppose now 12 is there, or you want to make 58, or you want to have 36. So these are random entries for timer 1. Random entry for timer 2 is done by pressing the hash and press the desired value and press hash once again and start the timer. The remote function, all the remote functions are mentioned at the back of the keyboard as written over here. Remote control instructions on the back side of this keyboard. So there is a power on off function, and this left column is for setting the timer 1. This section is for timer 2. The volume minus will start timer 1, and again pressing volume minus will stop timer 1. The timer button at the bottom will reset it to the original value. To make any random entry, press this TVAV and press the desired number and press the TVAV again. To make random entry for timer 2, press this PP button and press the desired number and press PP once again. So this will start the timer 2 or stop it. You can also increment by 1 minute or decrement it by pressing this color plus or color minus, and for the timer 2 is this contrast plus or contrast minus. This button search will reset it to 60 minutes for timer 1, and this button recall will set it to 60 minutes for timer 2. Even if only one timer is purchased, this unit can be used for another timer which may be planned for the future. The communication is totally wireless and will work 100 meter indoor and 500 meter outdoor. The power supply for the keyboard is with an external SMPS, while for the display units the transformer is inbuilt. The timer 1 and timer 2 stickers are mentioned, so accordingly they can be controlled. At the end of the timer, the last 1 minute will be a flashing of the seconds. So we will give a demo. We will set it to So this is now, I've set it to 0 1, so it is now showing the flashing, and I will press that start. And zero, 1, and now the starting of the timer, and the last 1 minute the seconds will be flashing. So flashing of this number indicates that it is in the seconds mode, and at the end of the this 1 minute the flashing will stop. It will show 0 0, and for 1 second there will be a siren, and after that 1 second the original value of this 1 minute will come back in this case, or whatever the previous setting was done. So we shall just now wait and see how the siren will sound, and how the siren function will be at the end of the timer countdown. So these are the last 10 seconds. 9, 8, yes, now it will be, yes, now so it is come back to the 60 seconds which we had set, or that 1 minute, and or whatever the previous value will be will come back on the screen. Thank you.